our next game is called concentration, following the rhythm. Each one of you will be assigned a number and remember that number. So let's assign numbers first. Let's start from Tikon, 1. 10. So we're 10. You're going to say your number first and then you pass it to the other student. So let's practice first. Concentration. Ready, go. Concentration, following the rhythm. Concentration, now begin.
1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's start now. Let's start with number 5. Ready, start. Okay, let's start from number 6. Ready, start. Out. Okay, 10 is out of the group now. So let's start with number 3. Ready, start. Okay, let's start with the last one. Ready, start. Okay, remember those numbers who are out already. Ready? Let's start again from who's the last? Okay, ready, start. Out. That's not following the rhythm. Okay. Let's start with Tida. Ready, start. Of the rhythm. Okay. Okay, only 3 left. Start from Tida. Ready, start. Who's out? Wow! Again for the second time.